Reading your financial aid mailer. Be sure you have your mailer and a pen. You're going to take some notes. Direct costs. These are items you will be billed for. Tuition and fees, room and meal plan. Please circle the total and write bill next to it. Bills are released on July 13th and will be sent to your Winthrop email address. Indirect costs. Federal estimates for the average student to cover additional expenses, including but not limited to books, supplies, transportation, personal care, and loan fees. Scholarships and grants. This is the free money section. Disclaimer: as with everything that's free, there are terms and conditions that need to be met yearly. Eligibility for grants is determined by information from your FAFSA. Also, you will find your Winthrop Merit, Talent, and Athletic scholarships, as well as your South Carolina State scholarships here. Be sure to circle the total and write free money next to it. Loans. These are other payment aids. All students that submitted a FAFSA are eligible for $5,500 of federal student loans. These are electable. You do not have to use them. If you plan to use your federal student loans, you need to accept them through your Wingspan account so that the funds will be distributed to Winthrop to cover your bill. Don't worry, we've already made a video you can watch to help you with this step. Some of you may see Federal Work Study next. Eligibility is determined by your FAFSA. If awarded, you need to understand how this money is distributed. It's distributed in the form of a biweekly paycheck to the student once a job is secured and after working begins. Jobs are only part-time, as are all student on-campus jobs. It is at the discretion of the student to use this money to pay direct costs or the bill. This money will not be available to you in time for the fall payment due date of August 12th. Offer total. This is the sum of your free monies plus your loans. It is all the money currently available to cover your direct costs. Estimate year net price. This is your direct costs minus the offer total. This is an estimate of what your yearly bill will be from the university. A quick reminder from our notes, your bill minus the free money minus the loans equals what you owe. Be sure to circle this net price and write what you owe next to it. The final banner is just a reminder of your offer. The offer is the scholarships plus grants plus loans, is all available monies to cover your direct costs. Let's move to the right side of the mailer, more ways to pay. Parent Plus loans. A parent applies for additional loans. This application typically opens in late April. These loans are electable. Just because you qualify for them does not mean you have to accept them. Note that if parent is denied, students will be eligible for additional student loan monies. Private loans. Typically applied for by a parent or a student from a bank or a credit union. Payment plan. Winthrop offers a payment plan with no interest charge, just a $25 a semester administrative fee. You may apply through the account summary and payment tab in your Wingspan account. Check the billing schedule for due dates, but think of this as a monthly payment due during the months you are in school. Outside scholarship. Winthrop is happy to include any additional awards to your package. Please just notify the Office of Financial Aid of these scholarships. On-campus job. We already talked about federal work study jobs that are exclusively for these students. But by late summer, all jobs will be posted to HR's website to begin applying. You may apply for any job not advertised as federal work study only. Be sure you have your class schedule available, and do know that jobs are limited to part-time hours. This is a great way for you to build a resume and earn extra money without even having to leave campus. You may even be lucky enough to find employment in your own academic department or a particular area of interest that would provide you additional mentorship while you're at Winthrop.